Hey guys, what's all on here? That's Javier. Iheartadobo.
Give me the camera. Hello,
Yeah.
hello.
Okay, I'm gonna solve
Hi.
a Rubik's Cube upside down.
While I'm eating pop chips.
Exactly. Okay, not yet, Sean. Not yet. Okay. I got Oreo, okay?
Let's go! Come on.
Okay, here, hold this.
Alright. That was that one. You did. You got 3. No, that
Yeah.
was best friend and he said
Yeah, you
no, he
found it?
did. He just said hold him. Hey, Brian, can I get 3? Okay. At least have 1. Brian, can I get 1? Oh. Brian, can I get 1?
See, stop.
You're upside down.
Exactly.
Hi, Mom. Ah, my pop chips. Don't touch the royal head.
Exactly.
Dude, stop. Seriously. Sup, dude? Look how fast he's going.
Yay! Okay.
If you watch this, you have to subscribe to me or suffer.
Hey, what about me?
And you have to like it. Whatever.
Oh my gosh, sorry.
Hello. Hi, Mom.
Okay. Stop him. Iheartadobo.
1, 2,
Stop me. Stop me, okay.
What?
Javier, what do you have to say to YouTube?
I don't really know. Wait.
Okay. He's doing something awesome. Okay, wait.
I'm a bandito. Give me all your money. Not my identity.
No, give me.
I
Give me.
want to.
Okay. Okay, that's the end of the video. Be filming later.